Number one, Tawheed. And Tawheed is the basis of the revolutionary ideology of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As I told you, Allama Iqbal said very beautifully, जिंदा कुव्वत थी जमाने में ये तौहीद कभी, और अब क्या है, फकत एक मसला है इल्म कलाम. The three corollaries of Tawheed: sovereignty belongs to Allah alone, total negation of human sovereignty, whether individual or collective. Neither a man can be sovereign, nor the whole nation can be sovereign, nor for that matter the whole humanity can be sovereign. Sovereignty belongs to Allah. Inil hukmu illa lillah. Then everything belongs to Allah. He owns everything. Man is the custodian. He amanat chand roza nizde mast, dar haqiqat malik har shay khudas. What we have today with us, it's a sacred trust of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We can use these things only according to His permission, His laws. Number three, all human beings are equal by birth. Nobody is high, nobody is low, because they have been created by the same one creator. So these three corollaries of Tawheed actually, they constitute the revolutionary ideology of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or Islam you may say for that matter. Number two, Quran emphasizes akhirah, that the real life is the life of hereafter. وَإِنَّ دَارَ الْآخِرَةَ لَهِيَ الْحَيَوَانُ لَوْ كَانُوا يَعْلَمُونَ. If somebody really believes in akhirah, just imagine, if he really believes that I will be resurrected, I'll have to stand before my Lord, and I'll have to face the grand accountability of the Day of Judgment, and then I'll have to have the reward or the punishment, and that now that life is eternal, it will never end. Such a person will never hesitate to devote and dedicate and sacrifice everything he has for the sake of akhirah, because whatever he is spending for the cause of Allah, actually he is not spending it. He is depositing it with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It will be rewarded, it will be given back. Not only given back, rather it will bring, more profits with it. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will additionally forgive their sins if they have spent everything for the cause of Allah. So whosoever believes in these two things, Tawheed and then Akhirah, actually now such a person is a revolutionary person in the true sense of the word. He will be ready to sacrifice everything for the cause of that revolution that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam brought about.